Welcome. Today we're going to be taking a look into department lists and how one could add, delete, or manipulate the department lists. We'll also be taking a look into markup values and how they affect your call rates in your Man 3000 software. Man 3000 provides many editing options, one of which is your edit department list. This option enables the user to allocate extension numbers to a specific group or department, making it easier for a user to associate a specific cost markup to a group or department. Markup values come in 4 options. Your standard, high, and extra high options allow for personalized adjustments to be made to each markup, while your Codebook 10 markup rate is a specialized markup. If you are interested in using this markup, please contact your Man 3000 dealer for more information. Markup values are created as follows and are represented as a percentage. 100% is the exact cost from the supplier, where for example, your standard rate is as follows: 100% from the supplier and your 15% markup for the VAT that is added to the calls. This of course can be adjusted. Let's have a closer look on how this can be done. Firstly, let's open our edit department name options. There you'll see a list of department names and their markup values. On the right hand side will be our editing options, where you are able to print your department lists, delete department names, and of course, the option to synchronize our department lists with all our personal network copies. As you can see, adding new departments, deleting old departments, and also editing existing departments can be done with ease. After your adjustments have been made to the department list, you can go ahead and save these changes. Close the window. You can now carry on using your Man 3000 software. To find out more, give our offices a call on 011 436 8100 or email us on sales@man3000.com. Man 3000, it works.